In the previous sessions, we studied how to convert the decimal forms into fraction forms. We studied 3 forms for that. Today, we are going to discuss how to convert a decimal form into a fraction form. In our chapter, 2 forms are there.
Method 1. Method of writing fraction form of a decimal form with the digits cyclically repeating. We can, for that, consider a decimal number. Consider 0.272727, etc. Look at the number. Here 2 and 7 are cyclically repeating. In such cases, take the decimal number as h, that is, let h is equal to 0.272727, etc. Here 2 digits are repeating, so multiply by 100. 100 h is equal to 27.272727, etc. Let's just split this, that is 27 plus 0.272727, etc. is equal to 27 plus, look at here, 0.2727 means what? That is the value of x. Substitute the value 27 plus x. Now find the value of x, that is 100x minus x is equal to 27, that is 99x is equal to 27. So x is equal to 27 by 99, that is 3 by 11. Substitute the value of x is 0.272727, etc. is equal to 3 by 11. That is, the fraction form of 0.272727, etc. is 3 by 11. Okay. Now consider another example. Find root of 0.444, etc. in decimal form. We cannot find the value of root of 0.444, etc. in direct method. So first convert this decimal into fraction. So consider the fraction. Consider 0.4444, etc. Here 0.444, here 4 is repeating. So first take h is equal to 0.44444, etc. 4 is repeating, only one digit is repeating, so multiply by 10. That is 10h is equal to 4.4444, etc. Next step, split this. 4 plus 0.44444, etc. That is 4 plus the value of 0.44 is what? That is x plus x. Now find the value of x. 10x minus x is equal to 4. that is 9h is equal to 4. So h is equal to what? H is equal to 4 by 9. Substitute the value of h. H is what? 0.4444 etc. is equal to 4 by 9. What is the question? Question is find the square root of this decimal. That is root of 0.44444 etc. is equal to root of 4 by 9. Root of 4 by 9 is equal to what? 2 by 3. This is the fraction form. But our question is what? Convert this into decimal. Find the decimal form of this square root. So convert what? The decimal 2 by 3 into decimal form. That you already studied in the previous session, how to convert a fraction into decimal. You find that the answer that is equal to 0.666 etc. That we already done that questions. Now second form. Two forms. What fraction does the decimal 0.4999 etc. What fraction does the decimal 0.444 etc. represent? This is not a cyclically repeating. 4 is not repeating here, so this is not a cyclically repeating. So how can we do this? By the definition of such decimal forms, what we have to find is the number to which the fractions 4 by 10, 49 by 100, 499 by 1000, 4999 by 10,000 etc. get closer and closer to. Can you find that? Can you find that? There is one easy method is here. Look here. We know that 0.49999 etc. is approximately equal to what? 0.5. That means corresponding fraction is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is what? 1 by 2. By using this, we can write this. That is 1 by 2 minus 49 by 100 is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 2 minus 499 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 2 minus 4999 by 10,000 is equal to 1 by 10,000. Continuing like this. These fractions, that is 49 by 100, 499 by 1000, 4999 by 10,000 etc. get closer and closer to which number? From here you can see closer and closer to 1 by 2. Closer and closer to 1 by 2. So by the new extended definition of decimals, we can say that 1 by 2 is equal to 0.4999 etc. That is the fraction form of 0.4999 etc. is equal to 1 by 2. One more question. What does the decimal 0.1999 etc. represent? By the definition of such decimal forms, what we have to find is the number to which the fractions are, which are the fractions 1 by 10, 19 by 100, 199 by 1000, 1999 by 10,000, etc. get closer and closer to. Can you say? We know that what 0.19999 etc. is approximately equal to 0.2, that is 2 by 10, that is what 1 by 5. So we can easily write what 1 by 5 minus 19 by 100 is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 5 minus 199 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 5 minus 1999 by 10,000 is equal to 1 by 10,000, etc. From this we can see that 19 by 100, 199 by 1000, 1999 by 10,000, etc. get closer and closer to 1 by 5. So we can say that 1 by 5 is equal to what? 0.1999 etc. So the fraction form of 0.1999 etc. is equal to 1 by 5.
I hope that all of you understood. In this chapter we studied conversion of decimals into fractions and fractions into decimals. On the next episode we can see with another